My name is Parker Shepard, and I like photography.
Minus the 1DX.
Yeah, just cut off this hat.
Cut off the bottom half.
My name is Parker Shepard, and welcome to my vlog. You're gonna learn today why I have the last name Shepard, the origination, where it comes from, my history, my origin. Also, this is my kingdom. So, if you like it, thank you, and that's it.
Dude, this is a freaking workout. How do vloggers do this, bro?
Dude, ask how Peter McKinnon does it with a 1DX.
Oh yeah, that's just that camera.
I did that in London. This
dude.
bad boy weighs about as much as Parker right now. All right.
Yeah, seriously.
So
I'm basically a stick at this point. Had to stop to get some pics because that lighting was, dude, it's getting even better. Look at it, the razor coming down. Just hitting that hillside perfect. There's a bird. Woo. We're just up at Dorseys Knob, hanging out, shooting some stuff. Yo, you guys want to see a magic trick?
Huh?
Dude, it worked.
Hey man.
Hey dude.
That's a cool trick.
Thanks, man. Time to shoot some dope pics.
Like that one people shoot. See, here's the key to drinking water. You gotta have the little shaker thing in there. If you have the little shaker thing in there, it breaks up the water molecules and like it actually separates the hydrogen and the oxygen, so that you can only drink the hydrogen. The oxygen kind of like it just falls to the bottom, kind of like oil and water separates, but like it separates the water molecules. So just, anyways, big tip if you're drinking any sort of water.
Life hack.
Ever.
Life
you
hack
have
right there.
to drink it with the metal thingy, because otherwise you're just getting the hydrogen and the oxygen, and that's kind of
dumb.
Why would you do that?
Exactly.
Dude? That's just silly.
Dude, who wants the oxygen?
This is 2019.
Bro, who wants the oxygen? Do I really want to go to class? That's the $1 million question.
I really want to get grind food.
All right, time to get some B-roll, and then let's go grab some freaking food. Sound good? B-roll and then food?
Yeah.
Dope, let's do it. Bro, it's raining.
At least we're at the highest point in the whole freaking zone. So for the lightning thing, we're probably the lightning rod.
That rain came out of nowhere. It's getting stronger. Ah! I got rain on my lens. Oh no.
Listen, the hydrogen and the oxygen separated in the sky. And now we have a rainstorm. And this is just pure oxygen that's falling from the sky. And we're stuck in it. There's nowhere for miles to go except the car right there. And we had to take shelter under the tree because it's raining bullets out here.
Well, got rained on. Hopefully my camera and everything is fine. I'm sure it is. It's kind of drenched right now, but I have class in 27 minutes.
I'm telling you, go to the grind.
We're going to grind. Get some coffee, get some food. Woo! Great start to the day. Sunrise, great day. It's always a good day when we got sunrise. All right, I'm gonna cut the vlog there. Thank y'all for watching. Hope you enjoyed my magic trick. I hope it turned out well, because I don't really know if I did it right. But I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Peace.